Hello guys, welcome to the next video. Today I'll be talking about some gear mechanisms that are actually pretty cool. So the very first one that I'm going to get started with is this cool spiral gear. Now if you can see, it actually doesn't look like that. It should be turning, right? Because you have this part and then this part. So because the radius of this point up here is higher than down here, and the same thing for the opposite, if you have them aligned properly, then they'll work together. Now, I honestly don't understand it too much other than what I can see visually, but it's actually pretty cool. Now for the next thing is this 3D printed gear cube. So as you can see here, if we turn one of the sides, it's kind of hard to get used to, then it deforms. And then you can keep turning it over and over again. Let's get it. And then you can keep turning it until it gets back to a square. Bam, look at that. Now I'm actually a Rubik's Cube nerd, and this actually reminds me very much of a cube, if you know what that means. So for the next mechanism, this is called a rack and pinion. And this isn't new or anything, but this is actually pretty cool. So the thing about motors and pretty much other things is that it counts on rotations. It's rotational movement. Well, this converts rotation to linear movement. And this is done by the gear right here. And then you have teeth on this rod right here. Then it pushes the teeth on this rod through. Now I actually have this connected to a servo. So if I turn it on, you can see how it works. So as the gear rotates, the rod that has the teeth connected to it, that also moves too. I hope you liked that video. It was pretty short, and I just wanted to show you some of the cool 3D printed gear mechanisms that I found interesting. Now, I'm trying to work towards monetization, and I need your help. So don't forget to click the subscribe button. I don't know if it's right there. And check out some of the other videos.